Good day to all of you. Today we'll try to learn how to write a code which will help us in knowing size of various data types available in C. So in this session you will learn how to find or how to print, how to check size of various data types available in C through a very small program. We'll directly jump to the Turbo C compiler, which is ready. We all know if we see such kind of window, we need to press Alt Enter. When you will press Alt Enter, you will be able to get full screen interface. So let's start with new file. So I will press F2. By pressing F2, I will be able to save my file with the name data size. D type means data type siz.c. So this is the name of file. Let's go ahead. As include stdio.h. And I will add has include onio.h. Will have void main. Will begin code. Will use clr str. Then I will write a print command. Print f inside bracket size of char data colon. I will be using %d. %d is used for printing integer value, and we all know size of all data types is in integer. Okay. Now we'll use size of functions. Size of functions. I will put here char. This will give us size of char. Similarly, you can do one thing. Select this all. Go to the edit section. Press copy button. Then press enter. Then see the key to paste. Shift plus insert. Press shift and insert key. You'll be able to do it multiple times. And then it's very easy to edit. Char is done. Then I will add integer. Integer. Size of integer, I need to add here int. Then I will add, I am taking major data type, float. Again, I will edit here float. This will tell us the size of float. Then I will take here double, size of double. I need to add here double, double. Then add here long, double. Here I will review long double, and here I need to add byte, because we all know size of data type is in bytes. Make it more readable, we can use tab so that every data comes in a proper alignment format. Eat here. Rest I'm going to delete. As of now, I'm checking size of character, integer, float, double, and long double. So this is done, right? So now this program will help us in knowing size of a data type. Byte, I need to add here byte, byte, byte. Yeah. See, it's very simple. Printf is a function. This is the comment, you can say. Within quotes, whatever is there will come as it is. The size of function will give us size of a given data type. So here it will give highlighted one, the size of character. Here it will return size of integer. Here it will return size of float. Then it will return size of double. And finally, it will return size of long double. Then we all know CLR, get ch to see the output by reading one character from the user. And this is the end of the code. So to compile, Alt F9, I have got 0 errors, 0 warning. Then I will press Control F9. I am able to get output, but the output is not in a proper order. So to do that, what I will be doing, after first line, I'll be putting slash n, slash n here, slash n here, slash n here, and slash n here. You will be able to see that there will be a difference in output. Alt F9 to compile, then Control F9 to execute. So size of char data type 1 byte, integer 2 byte, float 4 byte, double 8 byte, long double 10 bytes. So it is practically proved the data type and size with the code. I don't know why I am not getting size 4 by TK. That's fine. So this was all to write a small code through which you can identify size of any data type practically. So happy learning. Thank you so much. For more videos of such kind, please subscribe the channel.